Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be cash stuffing my first March paycheck. If you haven't already done so, go ahead, like the video and subscribe because it's good vibes over here and I promise you are going to love it. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so we're gonna count this money now. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700. 51, 52, 50. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82. So 200. This is 10, 20, 30, 40. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right, in this video, we will be cash stuffing $1,260. Today is an exciting video because I finally saved up enough to stuff the 100 envelope savings challenge. Well, to start it, not to like stuff the full thing, but to start that challenge, I finally paid myself back the amount that I wanted to get started on that challenge. So I am very, very, very excited to be doing that. I probably won't stuff that in this video, but I will be stuffing that in the very next video. So make sure you're staying tuned for that video to come out because it's a very exciting video, especially for me. But let's go ahead and get started with my personal wallet. Oh my gosh. My personal wallet, which I don't believe has anything in it, if I'm being completely honest. Just found $10 in my purse, which I'm pretty sure came from something that I spent over the past week or two. So let me get this account because I'll probably just put this in buffer, or you know what, no, I'm gonna put this towards my debt, my personal debt, and my bill binder. Oh, I didn't even count it for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that'll be $10 extra going towards that. But yeah, fill the tank doesn't have anything. My funds, food, or buffer. Everything's kind of been taken out. Oh, I think I ruined that somehow. But we're gonna go ahead and stuff this. So gas is getting its usual 35. Even though when I went to the gas station, the prices seem to be back up, which I'm not happy about, but usually 35 is kind of a good sweet spot for me anyway. My funds is getting 132, and I'm giving that 50, 1, 20, 10, and 2, 1. So 50, 100, 20, 30, 31, 32. So 132 is going into my funds. Food isn't getting anything, and then buffer isn't gonna get anything either. And that is it for my personal wallet. Next, we're gonna go into my bill binder. So rent is gonna get $215. $100, $210, and $15. Okay, car is gonna get $340. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 20, and 40, and that's all car has. Car insurance isn't getting anything, but I think there should be like $220 in there if I'm not mistaken. Phone isn't getting anything. Dental is getting $68. I haven't paid my bill yet, but I'm still gonna put the $68 in there. Okay, so 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68. I'm gonna give all of this account. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200, 1, 2, 3. So 203. This envelope is very puffy, but a lot of this money is going to be coming out soon. Okay, personal debt is going to be getting 200, and then this 10 from earlier. Okay, so in personal debt we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 750, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. Was that 795? Yeah, 795. Telling y'all, the 50s trip me up. Okay, so 795 going into personal debt. Subscriptions is getting $40. Oops. So just 40 is going in here. Student loans isn't getting anything, and that is it for our bill binder. Okay, next is my sinking funds binder. I believe each category in here will just be getting $5. So let's go ahead and add that. Pet vet is empty because I just paid for my dogs. I think it was her flea and tick little topical gel that I was talking about in the last video, and then her vaccinations. So pet vet is getting $5, and that's all that's in there. Car maintenance is also getting $5, and it's $10 in here. Taxes is getting $5, so there's $10 in there. Self-care is getting $5. In here we have 5, 10, 15. Parents is getting $5, and that's all they have in there. I recently took my parents out to eat, and that was pretty nice. So I ended up using, I think it was $5 that was in here before. So I ended up using that. Siblings is getting $5, and that's all they have in there. Birthday is getting $5, so we have 15 in there. Holidays is getting $5, so that's 15 in there. Pre-vacation is getting $5, so that's 15 in there. And then student loans is getting $5, so it's $10 in there. I'm always happy when I can stuff every envelope with something versus nothing at all. Um, so that is it for my sinking funds binder. I am gonna stuff my monthly binder, my monthly savings binder, and the 100 envelope savings challenge binder, but I'm not gonna do that in this video. I'm gonna do it in the next video. So make sure that you guys are staying tuned for that. It's gonna be a really nice video, probably a little short, but still nice nonetheless. That is it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Hope you guys have a blessed day or night, depending on when you're watching. Bye.